Hello friends. Today we bring the latest news of the day. Media magnate Sumner Redstone has passed away at the age of 97. Sumner Murray Redstone, born Sumner Murray Rothstein, May 27, 1923 to August 11, 2020, was an American businessman and media magnate. He was the majority owner and chairman of the board of the National Amusements Theater chain. Redstone, who built a multi-billion-dollar media empire that included Viacom, Paramount Pictures, and CBS, passed away at his home in Los Angeles on Tuesday, 11 August 20. Confirming the news to Deadline on Wednesday, a representative from his national amusements firm said, "It is with great sadness that we announce the passing of Sumner M. Redstone, the self-made businessman, philanthropist and World War II veteran who built one of the largest collections of media assets in the world." He passed away yesterday at the age of 97. Over the course of his distinguished life and career, Sumner played a critical role in shaping the landscape of the modern media and entertainment industry. Viacom CBS CEO Robert M. Bakish added, "Sumner Redstone was a brilliant visionary, operator and dealmaker, who single-handedly transformed a family-owned drive-in theater company into a global media portfolio. He was a force of nature and fierce competitor, who leaves behind a profound legacy in both business and philanthropy." Viacom CBS will remember Sumner for his unparalleled passion to win, his endless intellectual curiosity, and his complete dedication to the company. We extend our deepest sympathies to the Redstone family today. Redstone served as executive chairman of both CBS and Viacom until February 2016, when he resigned from both chairmanships following a court-ordered examination by a geriatric psychiatrist. He was succeeded by Les Moonves at CBS and Philippe Dahmen at Viacom. The twice-divorced billionaire is survived by his two children, Brent and Sherry. Thank you and everyone for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to the channel to support us. Goodbye.